changes.
All right, as promised, guys, welcome into the channel. It's the 28th of April, 2021. We're almost at the end of this month, getting ready to head into May. I wanted to tell you guys about Facebook Marketplace and some of the disturbing trends for sellers that I've been seeing, not only over the last couple of days and weeks, but even months back. So any of you that follow me in my Facebook group, Thrifter Reseller World, know that I am not a seller on Facebook Marketplace. I use it to buy stuff sometimes, but I'm not a seller. And here's the reason why, and it's disappointing and it's sad. So I would like to be a seller on Facebook Marketplace. I would use it, trust me, I would. But sellers are being suspended and kicked off, booted off of Facebook Marketplace at record rates. And I don't mean because they did something wrong. I mean just for no rhyme or reason. And at first I thought, there's always more to the story. Like, people were posting in my group that they had been suspended off Facebook Marketplace, and I'll throw up a ton of screenshots, just boom, 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 right? And I was like, you know, people say it about eBay all the time. There's always more to the story generally. Well, it started to happen to some sellers that I know somewhat personally, and that I know are good sellers, reputable, honest sellers across multiple platforms. And they would come to me and just say, I got kicked off. I've been selling like normal. I sell a couple items a day. Did nothing out of the ordinary, nothing Vero, nothing crazy. And they're just, doop, you're gone. And they send me the screenshots and the pictures, some of which I just popped up on the screen or whatever. But that's when it raised my eyebrows of, hey, people are being kicked off with almost no rhyme or reason. And so then it happened more and more and more and more. And then some people said there was a glitch, that they had finally, if you don't know, Facebook Marketplace's customer service is absolutely horrendous. There is almost no way to get in touch with somebody. And even if you do, it takes a ton of time. They're very unreceptive. They don't have answers, all this sort of thing. I have sold quite a few items on Facebook Marketplace, both locally, and I've shipped a couple. But with that said, people were saying there were some glitches, and they were finally able to get a hold of representatives after several months. Several months, mind you, several months. And one of those people got back on the platform, and it looks like they've been good ever since. But one of them's been trying for 6, 7, 8 months, whatever. It's probably the beginning of the year. So, you know, like December, I would guess it happened. So to January to February to March to April, coming up on 5 months for that one. There was another one that was even longer back in like October, November. So when I saw that, I realized that Facebook, maybe there were some people that had a glitch, but if this is a site-wide glitch, they've got to get customer service on renewing it or reviewing it for people to get it fixed. But I don't think it is. Facebook went to this huge, like, I call it like a blitz, a sprint of, we're going to, you know, get all these sellers, we're going to offer shipping, we're going to do all this stuff. Fantastic idea, because where more can you find enough buyers, more buyers than Poshmark or Mercari? I mean, everybody uses Facebook, right? And if it became a standard like an eBay or an Amazon, like you could go to Facebook and buy a ton of stuff, then it's a great platform and a great way to reach customers all over the country. The problem is Facebook isn't an e-commerce platform website. They're a social media networking site that makes their money on advertising. They don't know e-commerce and different things, Vero list and you know, banned products and recalls and PayPal transactions and credit card charge. They don't know any of this market. And sorry, Zuckerberg, this isn't your wheelhouse, my man. And so with that said, this is why they're experiencing so many problems. So it's, in my opinion, if you're selling on Facebook Marketplace, you're making money, great, you know, chug ahead, you do what you want to do, run your business how you feel appropriate. But if it was my business, I would not trust Facebook Marketplace as far as I could throw my smartphone that I'm sitting here recording on with you guys. So I just don't recommend it. That's why I don't sell on it. If I feel like I can be shut down on a platform at any moment, then I am not going to invest any of my time, money, effort, or business into that platform. Now, people say, oh, people get shut down on eBay all the time and you sell on there. Right, but every single time there's an eBay suspension or something, there is a reason. They've made multiple accounts, they're linked to a suspended account, they sold a Vero product, whatever the case might be, there's always a reason. And if there's not a legitimate reason, eBay has ways to contact them in hours or days, not months or weeks, and ways to get it resolved, and they do. Facebook, eBay for Business on Facebook is really, really good about it. You can contact customer service direct. You can get to people. I have concierge, so I get Americans. I don't have the overseas people that just give you the scripted answer of, you're suspended, there's nothing we can do for you, don't call again, because that's what they're told to tell you. So there's ways to resolve it if eBay makes a mistake, and eBay doesn't tend to make too many mistakes on the suspension side of it. If they suspend you, there's a pretty good reason why, or at least a reason that falls within their terms of service. So I'll invest in those platforms, time, money, business, but not Facebook Marketplace, not until they get this ironed out. And a lot of you are like, yeah, but I'm doing great. I made, $2,000 a month for the last 6 months, and that's fantastic. But all the people that got suspended that I just popped a lot of those screenshots up about were saying the same exact thing to me till they woke up and they were suspended, and now they're crying and in the corner and blah, blah, blah. It's just a sinking feeling that you don't want to have, to get suspended and be relying on it for any sort of money or source of income. So just be very careful on Facebook Marketplace. I highly recommend not selling on it. eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, all three fantastic options. Shopify is a great option if you know how to build an audience. There's other platforms. Facebook Marketplace is just in its infancy as a shipping option, and until they get it ironed out and worked out, I will sell elsewhere. All right, so hopefully that helped a lot of people. But, run your business how you want. Don't let me tell you what to do or how to do it. And if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, then I apologize ahead of time. So thank you so much, as always, for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel over there, down there somewhere, so you don't miss on future videos. And I will put some links below for all of that equipment, the thermal printers and light kits and all the equipment I use here on this channel when I get back to a normal filming location, and that we use for our normal photographs and inventory and items and all that. So if you need any of those, a lot of them are on sale right now. So check it out down below to that link, and you can pick up any of that stuff, and it helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any more money to invest in the items that you need for your business anyways. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I think it's Wednesday, rest of your Wednesday, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow.